Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video, we shall be looking at how to face Free Fire damage color change problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to click on your profile. Now once you click on your profile, you can see settings. Just click on settings. Now once you click on settings, you can see over here, you can see about. Just click on about and you can see you have to update your Play Store to the latest version. And once you have updated your Play Store to the latest version, just go back and open your settings and privacy, your settings. And once you click on settings, you go to application settings. You can see apps and notifications. Just click on apps and notifications and click on application settings. Now just wait for it to load and look for your Free Fire. So just look for Free Fire. So you can see Free Fire. Just click on Free Fire, and once you click on Free Fire, you can see storage and cache. Just click on storage and cache, and then clear cache and storage of your Free Fire. Now go back and then scroll to where you can see Google Play Services. Click on storage and cache and clear cache and storage, and go back to Google Play Store and click on storage and cache and do same. Now after doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new